Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all 7 days belly fat loss challenge which can help you lose 10 inches very quickly. Now recently my lots of clients asked for such a diet plan where they can see a belly fat loss happening postpartum or because of high visceral fat, and this is how my clients lost their belly fat loss in just a few days, and the results have been amazing. And so can you. If you want your personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306822, or you can directly click on the given description box link and reach out to me on WhatsApp to stay communicated, and we'll be starting your weight loss journey with me and begin the transformation happening. So without any delay, let's get started with 7 days belly fat loss diet plan to help you lose 10 inches very quickly. Starting with the early morning drink, which is basically the diuretic water. So for which we will be having 1 glass of lukewarm water, and in that we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of chia seeds which can soak it up. Now chia seeds are great for omega-3 fatty acids, protein levels, and at the same time help you to clear your stomach very quickly as well. So you can have this for your early morning drink, or you can even add half a lemon squeeze to this. Second option is if you want a quicker fat loss, then the best thing is to try out my fat cutter drink, in which we boil approximately 2 cups of water, adding some ajwain, jeera and cinnamon stick to it. Now this basically helps you to suppress your sugar cravings of any kind, and ajwain and jeera have been proven to lose the belly fat that consistently maintains postpartum or even with the PCOD, PCOS, thyroid and water retention. So do try out this recipe for your fat cutter drink for your early morning drink for this diet plan. And now we'll be proceeding towards our breakfast options for the belly fat loss diet plan, which can help you lose very easily the 10 inches of your waist. I'll be giving you 2 to 3 options for your breakfast for this particular diet plan challenge. The first thing is that you can always have, if you like having eggs during this time, so you can always have 2 egg whites omelette plus 1 toast along with it. Make sure to have only whites in the omelette and load the omelette with lots and lots of seasonal vegetables like onion, tomato, capsicum, bell peppers, zucchini. You can even add some methi, spinach or mushrooms and corns if available seasonally, and along with that you can have 1 toast and plus a cup of black tea, black coffee or green tea. Now these help you to raise your antioxidant levels in the body and hence promotes good belly fat loss. So you can have this option for your breakfast. Second option is if you cannot have this, then you can always have 2 or 1 as per your own hunger pangs moong dal chila, which is again low in carbohydrates, great for weight loss, high in protein levels and very quick to prepare as well. I've shared the complete recipes of how you can prepare moong dal chila at home. Have it along with green chutney or coconut chutney as per your own choice, and enjoy your de-bloating and high protein low carbohydrates breakfast option for this challenge. Third option is for all of those who want a very quick breakfast option, easy to carry and definitely yummy. Then this oats smoothie is for you. Simply in a blending jar, I'm adding here apple, banana, peanut butter, oats, milk for the consistency, blending it all together and creating a delicious smoothie out of it. This is so fulfilling and so nutritious in every manner and loved by all of my clients as well. So you can try this smoothie or my banana smoothie as well, which is made with banana, Greek yogurt, cinnamon, chia seeds, and you can always adjust the consistency out of it. And trust me, these smoothies are very easy to prepare, very quick to carry also, and you cannot feel hungry after having this for at least 3 to 4 hours. So do try out these options and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now we'll be proceeding towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between our breakfast and lunch time. So if you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for belly fat loss is to have either any one seasonal fruit of your own choice, whatever is readily available in the season. For example, right now apple, guava, pomegranate, pineapple, these are very easily available in the season. So you can have a small portion of it for your mid-morning snack. Along with that, you can have a cup of green tea or peppermint tea or chamomile tea or ajwain or jeera water. Now this again helps you to detoxify your body very quickly and remove all the excess water retention, swelling of any kind. So people suffering from PCOD, PCOS, thyroid, diabetes should definitely incorporate these herbal teas at least twice or thrice a day. And now we'll proceed towards our lunch option for this diet plan. For lunch, I'll be giving you, of course, fulfilling options but very low in carbohydrates and great for weight loss in every manner possible. My clients love having this every single day because it gives them the hope that eating can also help you lose weight very quickly. The first option is you can have my personal favorite khichdi. I have lots and lots of khichdi recipes on my channel which are very low in carbohydrates because I add very less rice to this, more of dals, more of vegetables to this, and make it much more healthier options. The link to all my healthy khichdi recipes are uploaded in the description box below. You can do check it out, and my personal favorite of all of it is the millet khichdi. My clients have been having this from past 3 to 4 months now, and they say that there's no going back to their normal rice. So do try out these recipes and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Khichdi you can have along with 1 teaspoon of ghee or curd, raita, salad and make it more fulfilling. Second option is if you cannot have this because of any so reason, then the best option and too easy to prepare option for you is you can have oats beetroot roti with paneer bhurji or paneer ki sabzi. Along with that you can have curd and salad as per your own choice. Now my clients love having this roti because it gives them the collagen boost in their skin as well, because beetroot really helps you with anemia, that is low iron, and at the same time helps you build your collagen boosting properties as well. So do try out these options for your lunch. And now we'll proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. So if you do feel hunger pangs during this time, then you can again have a cup of freshly brewed peppermint tea, chamomile tea or green tea or ajwain tea, jeera tea or turmeric tea. If you want to have your normal tea or coffee, you can have it with milk but no sugar to it at all of any kind. Or you can even have the black tea, black coffee as per your own choice. Along with that you can have either 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts and 1 anjeer. If not possible, then you can always have 20 grams of roasted makhana, which can be simply roasted in desi ghee, and some black pepper powder, no salt or raw salt of any kind to be added to this diet. Second option is you can have 20 grams of roasted peanuts along with this as well. So you can choose whatever snacking option you like and choose your snacks wisely. And now we proceed towards our dinner option for this challenge, which is basically gonna break or make your diet. Always make sure that there are some key points when it's what to avoid for belly fat and what are the accelerators for a flatter belly. And for that you always need to make sure that you're not having a very heavy salt dinner no matter what happens. It always tends to bloat you and create more belly fat around the area. Always choose low salt dinner options when it comes to your belly fat loss diet plan. The first option for dinner would be to give you a soup. Yes, soup really can be low carbohydrates, great for weight loss, and always make sure to not add too much of salt to this. Always season it with some lemon juice, black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, some oregano, parsley, and you're good to go to have your tasty and very low carbohydrate soup. My channel has lots and lots of healthy weight loss oriented soup recipes, and the link to it is given in the description box below. My personal favorite for belly fat loss and for quicker belly fat loss is lemon coriander soup. It works miraculously well. I'm adding here broccoli, fresh coriander, lemon juice, black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder you can add some oregano as well, chili flakes, salt as per your own choice, and trust me, it makes a whole lot of difference when you start having this meal for your dinner. Second option for soup is you can always have chicken soup or egg soup as per your own choice also. My clients love having chicken soup during this time because it definitely gives you protein boost also and keeps you fuller for the longer time of the night also. So do try out these options for your dinner. And the second option is for all of those who cannot have dinner at any cost because of acidic reflux or any kind of challenges that they face during soup, is that you can have grilled paneer stir fried. Now I have shared the complete recipe out of it, in which I add lots and lots of seasonal vegetables to my grilling pan, like carrots, broccolis, bell peppers, mushrooms. You can add whatever is seasonally available at your place. Season it along with some black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder or some lemon juice, and along with that I'm sauteing here some paneer as well. You can even replace your paneer with chicken or eggs as well, and you're good to go to have your high protein, almost zero carbohydrates dinner option for your this meal. I'm adding some Greek yogurt to this as well to make it more fulfilling and to make it more like a dressing form. So you can try out these options for your dinner. And now let's proceed towards the last meal of the day, or I would say the drink of the day, which is basically the bedtime drink, for which I'll be giving you 2 options. The first is of course my personally favorite and loved by all of my clients because it has been working miraculously well for them for hormonal imbalances also, which is the chamomile tea. So you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea before going to bed to help you relax all the stress of the entire day, to help you with boosting your immunity and your metabolism at the same time. And the second option is if you cannot have this, then you can always have turmeric tea before going to bed. It helps you to boost your anti-inflammatory properties, and also turmeric naturally heals your body from within. So you can try out these options for your bedtime drink. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 2.5 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to help you with detoxification, to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, and to also help you with collagen boosting properties in the skin. And for personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosmore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306822, or directly click on the given description box link and reach out to me on directly WhatsApp, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey happening. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you in your weight loss journey. money. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming new transformations and challenges as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.